Hey guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kevlogs. If y'all new here, my name's Kev, this is Kevlogs. Back with another video today, guys. Today's video, another Avengers unbox video. So, I'm gonna just sit y'all down right there. No, actually, no, I'm gonna sit y'all guys right there. So, guys, there will be some late videos just because I go to Boys and Girls Club now. So, or summer school. I mean, not summer school, summer camp. So I have 3 things. One thing's already unboxed. Another 2, I have to unbox them. So let's get it, guys. So right here, guys, we have Thor's Stormbreaker. It is made out of plastic. Ooh. Should have gone for the head. Ooh. There's also this other thing. It was Thanos' gauntlet, but I don't want to get it because it's only like fist, and plus I wanted to get more things than that. So let me just get these things set up right here. So here they are, guys. Right here we have Spider-Man Far From Home. He is in his black suit. And he has a little thing right there. I don't know what it is. But yeah, he's in his black suit. And later we will open it after I'll show you this one. So here we have Captain America without his Quantum Realm suit. And I think he looks better in the Quantum Realm suit. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So, first the Spider-Man one. So here we have him, folks. So here he is, the one and only Spider-Man. So right here, you can take this off. Oops. And Spider-Man's dead now. You can take it off, but you can leave it on and it does this. You press on this little button right here. Da, da, da. So yeah, there's Spider-Man in his black suit. I like it because it's sort of just like the plain Spider-Man suit. Spider-Man, look, I'm sorry, but you get out of here. Nobody likes the original. Everybody likes a new one. No, I'm joking, guys. I'm gonna make a little what you just say? I'm gonna make like this little Spider-Man place where I can put out Spider-Man people. Oh yeah, by the way, here's Captain America. So, here is not only himself, but yes, Captain America. Here he is. So, guys, Captain America, this is his suit, and this, his regular suit, and his shield. Now here's what it looks like on the back. And here's a close-up of his head. Oops, he fell. And so did Shield. Oh no, there goes Shield. But guys, look. Which one do I choose? But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully y'all guys enjoyed it, cause you know I get a lot of views on these unboxing videos. But hopefully y'all did enjoy it. Tell me if you like the original Captain America or the one in the Quantum Realm suit. And tell me if you like this new Spider-Man. And tell me if you should replace the other Spider-Man. Speaking of him, where did he go? Hey Spider-Man, you're not in this video. No, stop it.